Hey guys, today I'm going to be making this from crayons, a pencil, a paper, and tape. And you guys can use paint instead if you want. So let's get to this now. So first we're going to take the top over here, fold it down until it's lined up with the edge. Look. We're going to fold it all the way down to there and fold it like that. Then we're going to take the top over here and fold it down and fold it down right here like that. Now we're going to get a piece of tape, actually a long piece. Paste it right there for a sec and cut. Sorry. Now we're gonna paste it. Secure one side secured, and let's secure the other. And we're going to tape the whole thing. Now, we're going to draw three squares. One underneath the tape, like right there. And one where the point is. A big one. Like that. Then we're going to draw a plus sign inside all of them. There's medication. Now, you gotta look at it like this. Now we're gonna draw a rectangle inside the middle and add a little dot like that. Now, I'm going to pause the video right now and color my house. So, first I'm going to show you guys the colors that you'll need. You are going to need, let's go peach. Let's go kind of this color, tan. Let's go tan. Let's go tumbleweed. That sounds good. So, and for the rooftop, I'm going to use red. And for the windows, let's use blue. But I'm just using these colors as these are a simple color of a house, my house actually. And I'm gonna pause the video right now and color this. You guys can color whatever way you want. Let's get to it. So guys, I finished it in a snap. So this is how it turned out. So this wasn't. So instead of using red, I kind of used pink. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video for a sec. Guys, I'm back and nothing happened. So I did the house, and so I used pink for the roof and blue for the windows, and some and kind of tannish color brown for the walls. So you guys could have colored this any way you wanted. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.